Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says how to use Ebirigo. Ebirigo in English, it simply means have been living. Have been living as a verb in sentences. We are going to use a topic that says Ebirigo as our verb. Ebirigo means have been living. You can also say Ebirigo also means have been living. But when you put Ebirigo, it means that they have been living there since or for long. Let us start. Igbo English, number one sentence says, Ego na di ya ebirigori kamgbe otu afọ. Or say that, class. Ego na di ya ebirigori kamgbe otu afọ. You can see that we put re inside bracket, meaning if you want to say ebirigo, it's just the same thing. If you want to put ebirigori, meaning they have been staying together for long. Something that has happened for long. That is Ebirigo. It means in English, Ego and her husband have been living since 1 year. Have been living means Ebirigo. If you say Ebirigo means have been living. If you also want to tell the person how long the thing has happened, you put re, Ebirigo. That's why we put it in bracket. Just the same thing. Number 2 says, ha ebirigori tupu anyị amata. Or say that, ha ebirigori tupu anyị amata. Meaning, they have been living before we know. The last one says, ha ebirigori n'otu kamgbe. Or say that, class. Ha ebirigori n'otu kamgbe. If you say ha ebirigo n'otu kamgbe without putting it re, still okay. It means the same thing. Have been living. Ha ebirigori n'otu kamgbe, meaning they have been living together since. Remember, we use re, ebirigori to tell you how long the thing happened. Like and share our videos. Ask me your questions at the comment section. I love entertaining questions. Okay? I love answering questions. So put down anything that you want to ask me based on our lecture so far. Okay? Feel free and do that. Bye.